Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma Guts versus SHF Guts. We'll delve into the internal skeletal structures of these popular action figure lines, examining their distinct approaches to articulation and durability. Understanding these core differences is essential for collectors and customizers alike, helping you make informed decisions about your figure purchases and modifications. We'll explore how each brand engineers its figures for optimal posing and longevity. Figma figures often employ a sophisticated ball-and-socket joint system, designed for seamless integration and a wide range of expressive poses. Their internal structures prioritize a clean aesthetic, ensuring that articulation points don't detract from the figure's overall appearance. Common joint sizes, such as 6mm and 8mm ball joints, provide flexibility. While generally durable, smaller connections can sometimes be delicate under extreme stress, requiring careful handling for long-term enjoyment. SHF Guts figures, conversely, frequently feature a more intricate hinge and swivel engineering, built for robust and dynamic action. Their internal mechanisms are crafted to withstand extensive play, often incorporating double-jointed knees and elbows that allow for nearly 180 degrees of movement. This design philosophy emphasizes maximum posability and long-term resilience, making them a favorite for collectors who frequently repose their figures in energetic displays and action scenes. In summary, Figma typically offers a more streamlined internal design, prioritizing aesthetic integration and smooth, natural posing. SHF Guts, on the other hand, often boasts more complex internal engineering, focusing on enhanced articulation and superior durability for dynamic action. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize a clean look or maximum posability and robustness. Both lines deliver exceptional figures, but their underlying internal philosophies are distinctly different, catering to varied collector preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.